Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a floating house made from two 40-foot shipping containers in Belfast, Maine. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container houseboat. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. This amazing houseboat made from shipping containers belongs to a boat builder, Steve White, from Belfast, Maine. He owns a company called SnapSpace Solutions, which specializes in repurposing shipping containers for living and office space. This houseboat is constructed from two recycled shipping containers which are offset and joined together by a wall that extends up to a second floor loft. The houseboat sits on a 30 by 50-foot barge and creates a cozy, spacious home. The biggest challenge of building this boathouse using shipping containers was on how to make the large steel structure float. In the end, they designed a large barge, which is basically a flotation box fitted with plastic pontoon cylinders filled with spray foam to improve its buoyancy. Pontoon cylinders are impervious to salt water and they are very sturdy when placed in water. Though out of water, the cylinders can't support the weight of the home. In this regard, the boathouse was loaded on a truck and then placed onto the water. The entire houseboat measures 24 by 40 feet and has around 1,000 square feet of habitable space, which includes a living room, two bedrooms with one of the bedrooms fitted with a bunk bed, a stone fireplace, a rooftop deck, and large windows that overlook the harbor. The main entrance door ushers you into the main lobby to the open-plan living space, which has a cozy lounge space defined by a floor rug and a sofa and other seats, a big, fully furnished open kitchen with a peninsular dining counter that can comfortably seat up to 4. The midsection of the boathouse is fitted with a raised lean-to roof above the shipping containers to create clear-story windows to enhance lighting and ventilation through the stack effect. The elevated roof is a smart passive design element with high ceilings to create a feeling of airiness, openness, and spaciousness. The clear-story windows along both sides of the raised loft space bring light to the living room of the house and can be opened to catch cross breezes for natural cooling and ventilation. The raised roof also adds architectural design flair to the exterior of an inherently boxy structure made from shipping container boxes. A small portion of the elevated roof extends above one of the shipping containers to create a small loft space. The interior is fitted just like a stick-built house, and it includes radiant heated floors with bamboo flooring finish to give the house a sleek modern look. The boathouse is fitted with a propane gas furnace for use during cold weather. The interior is decorated with clean spare lines, all set in bold red and tranquil white tones to create a modern interior space that is bright and shipshape. The white painted interior walls create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows and sliding glass doors, helping to kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container box. An external steel staircase is used to access the rooftop deck. On the rooftop deck, there is a panoramic and ever-changing view of the harbor, with cormorants fishing nearby and crews working on sailboats moored just down the dock. On the outside, the containers are painted red with large black framed windows cut into the sides to let in maximum amount of natural light and ventilation. This eye-catching hue of color helps these boxes of steel to announce their presence in the pristine coastal landscape. The homeowner opted for shipping containers as the main building block for his new houseboat because shipping containers are affordable, they are structurally sound, they are sustainable, and only require a minimal investment to make them habitable. The containers are made of coating steel, which is designed and built to last in the marine environment, making them a conducive material to use for a houseboat. One of the shipping containers serves as a rooftop deck, and the other is covered with an additional steel roof to protect it from the elements. The boathouse is secured in its place with mooring poles to protect it from being swept away by the sea waves. The homeowner plans to stay in the house for part of the year and rent it out during the summer months. According to the owner of the houseboat, it costs an average of $120 per month for heating, and the house is connected to the city sewer and water systems. The cost for the containers, insulation, plumbing, wiring, windows and doors, plus the snappy red paint job totaled about $90,000. We love everything about this amazing shipping container boathouse. Which part of this amazing shipping container houseboat appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe, and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, We also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.